must have been a good girl.
Oh,
Mom McConkey.
Loretta Lynn. All right.
Thank you.
Oh, my Mentos. Thank you.
Oh, guess what the doctor ordered? Skittles. King
Oh, you did?
size.
See what you get in
Oh,
there.
you found them. Where'd you find them? I ain't
I'm
found
sorry.
Grandma, Skittles, king size.
Oh, look at Santa brought me. Chocolate.
Yes.
Excuse me. Pa?
More
Yes,
chocolate.
Pa.
Good.
Honey, you want to sit with Billy while he
More
opens
bubble
his?
gum.
More Mentos. You didn't have one, did you?
Yeah,
I did not.
that's okay. I get
I didn't know.
Yes, so I can do my hair.
Mom, I'm sorry to say.
All right.
That was a D.
These perfect for me.
She's not a candy lover, so
No, I can.
she got some of these too. These are
Grandma, you see the two keychains I got?
puffs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Grandma, you
Pocket
see the
size.
two
You keep her in
keychains?
your purse.
Grandma, you see the two keychains I got?
I'll put this stuff back in here so while I'm in New York, we'll get it. And I'll put these up. Which
Still
reminds me.
digging.
I don't have a candy cane now.
Oh, now you got one.
You know, Mom, every year I buy a ton of them and put them on the tree. And every year, they never eat them. He winds up taking them to work.
Try this.
So this year, I didn't put them on the tree. I said I'm going to buy one little box and put them in each bird.
That's it.
Because I always buy like 3 or 4 boxes. You know, they make them now in
Yeah.
peppermint and all the different colors.
Yeah.
And they get wasted. We never get, they never get eaten. I hate waste.
Grandma. No.
Oh, Santa Claus is good to me.
Boy, red.
I said I remember when I heard you say that.
You told Santa Claus, of
I
course.
thought
Oh, yeah, Santa Claus knew about that.
He was.
Billy, what's Santa Claus bring you?
Did Billy get a stocking?
Yeah.
What's Santa bring you, Billy?
This is good Santa Claus. Got me confused.
That's what stocking stuffers are supposed to be. They're not supposed to be big gifts. They're stuff,
Yeah.
little things that you want and use. And the gifts are
Okay,
under the tree.
now it's gift
Stocking
time.
stuffers are something different.
Good stuff. Daddy, well, Billy's got pretty stuff.
Oh, good, Mom. You know that's what he needs?
Here, put all this.
Because he's outgrown all his other ones.
Look at there some more. Gotta get over here.
Dr. Car.
What? Oh, he
What is
likes
that,
the
Billy?
spoon.
Oh, he
All right,
loves
let's put
those
this
things.
out. They
That's
pretty.
what I had those. I remember him like it. That's the only reason I put them in.
Mom?
Oh,
What you
look,
got?
some-
What do you got?
Oh, ain't they pretty? Look at
Legos.
those.
I always tell when it's Legos.
What do you got? Socks.
Put them here.
Put it there.
Look in here.
Virginia from Hickson and Julie.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Oh, look
What
what you
is
did,
that? What is that you got?
Technic set.
He said.
Mommy. Now you don't want to put it on now.
You don't want to put it on right.
Oh, this is nice.
It's a Technic set.
What do you need, Billy? There's nothing